It is in today's time to be aware and to save ourselves on this issue because once you open pages of any newspaper any day, so at least 3 or 4 news items and some even scary news items you can go through in the newspapers. So it's a very timely intervention that has been made by particularly Radio City and by a separate wing which has been created in the Home Ministry, Government of India and the Federal Bank. So it's a collaborative effort and we all understand in an educational institution that today is the time of collaboration and any good thing that we want to do, we have to join hands with so many stakeholders, with so many people so that the desired success can be obtained. So I welcome all our guests who are here in this session. And the most celebrated person that we all know, RJ Ginni, is with us today. It's a very familiar voice, which I believe most of us must be listening sometime or the other. Then we also have Vineet Sharma and Manish with us from Radio City. And from the Federal Bank, the resource persons who are here, if I'm naming, telling the name correctly, Sanal Paul Augustine and Pranjal Rai. I welcome you also in this session and some guests from the Home Ministry. They will be shortly arriving. So to have a formal felicitation of our guest, I will request Mr. Vishnu, who is the PhD scholar in the Faculty of Media Arts and Design, to please. So now the session is yours, please.
So hi guys. So guys, today we're here for an initiative which is called Twice as Nice, which is being done with Federal Bank. We are of course doing this in association with the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. Why are we doing this? Because paise ja rahe sab logon ke. There's too much of cybercrime that's happening. There are too many basic things that you and I are not taking care of, and we'd like to stop your money from going into other accounts. So that's what the presentation is going to be. So give us a while to give you a formal presentation and then we'll open it up for questions. We'll make it more interactive as much jitna bhi hum interactive kar sakte hain. So first I'd like to call Augustine sir. So why don't you come and tell us a little bit about your presentation and then let's open it up.
A very good afternoon, one and all. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to South Asian University as well as Radio City for giving Federal Bank an opportunity to present the cyber security frauds that is happening across the world right now. We as a prudent banker, we are supposed to manage your money, grow your money as well as protect your money. In this scenario, the current topic, this is the cyber security, which is a very important currently in this digital world where people are more into usage of digital methods for making transactions as well as for their daily needs.
I have a question from all of you. कितने लोगों ने अपने senior citizens या अपने घर वालों से बात करी है about cybercrime? How many of you have spoken to your parents or your grandparents? 1, 2, 3, 4. The others, why? अपने parents से, why haven't you spoken to your parents about cybercrime? Or your ताया जी, ताई जी. How many of you ever reached out to your ताया जी, ताई जी, mama, mami? Your dada, dadi. You know, they're the ones who are targeted the most. I'll tell you a very interesting case. I got a call on radio by a woman whose father had disappeared. Okay? This is why I say it's so important to talk to parents. The father had disappeared, they couldn't find him. They put a police report, the police couldn't find him. Suddenly they realized कि उनके बैंक से बहुत सारे financial transactions हुए. Alright? The father had panicked because he had got a video call. Okay? The moment he got a video call, all our parents, they don't think he video call, who's done it. You've got a video call, you take it. It was a woman taking off her clothes. They made a video of him watching this woman. They started blackmailing him. Okay, his daughter had just gotten married. He got so scared कि वो भाग गए सब कुछ छोड़ के. This is why essential for your parents. You and I get a message on our phone, जैसे sir ने बोला that you know your money will get doubled और big basket का ये offer है, right? The chances of you and I clicking are very little. When our mom gets a call or a message that today there is a 50% discount, or your dad gets a call that if you do not click on this link and pay the bill right now, आज रात को बिजली कट जाएगी. And the most common scams was बिजली कट जाना, right? Or telephone connection disconnect करना. When we sit in these rooms and when we speak to experts, we always think that how silly. Why would anybody be caught in a scam like this, right? Now imagine your dad gets a call कि बिजली कट जाएगी. Will he not panic? Yes, no.
Yes.
The backbenchers, no? Your parents won't panic? Would your parents panic अगर उनको ये call आता है?
Yes.
If your parents get a call that आपने ना एक दिन shopping करी थी, उसका एक holiday voucher था और आपके 5,000 रुपए बन गए थे, आप उसे collect कर लो, इस वाले link पे collect करके. छोड़ parents, हम में से भी बहुत सारे लोग click कर देंगे. One thing that sir said was that scamsters are smart, but the students are smarter. I beg to differ. I think scamsters are brilliant. They are very, very smart.
I said the aware students
The
are
aware
more
students are
smart.
smarter. If you speak to, we've spoken to a lot of couples or people on air who've been scammed digitally. ठीक है? हम digital arrest दिखाते हैं हमेशा. क्या आपको पता है कि scamsters अब किस level तक पहुंच गए हैं? अभी जो ये डॉक्टर कपिल का स्कैम हुआ था, उसमें what did they tell them? They said, आप जाके बोलो डिजिटल अरेस्ट का कोई नाम नहीं लेता. They said that you go to the bank manager, who is very good, who is very genuine at his job, will ask you कि आप इतने पैसे क्यों ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो? आप 2-2 करोड़ रुपए, why would you transfer 2 crores to anybody? So the scamsters told the woman, taught her that these are the charities that you're going to name. Saying that I am 75 and I wish to give it to charity and it's the beginning of the year. They thought that far ahead. So which is why the bank manager did not suspect initially, because they had the answers. Scamsters are smart. How many of you have ever gone on a dating site? Come on guys. If you're going to tell me nobody's ever been on a dating site. None of you have ever been on a dating site. अभी तो तुम्हारा तो dating site बनता है. So, a new scam. Girl calls you or makes friends with you on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat. Any woman who sends you a request. Most people say yes. क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा एक request से? She becomes friends with you. Okay, over a period of 2 to 3 months. Understand how smart these people are. Then she tells you, listen, my mama ji has a very good thing happening. You want to invest 10,000 rupees in it. I love you, so I'm telling you. लड़की ने I love you भी बोल दिया. लड़की फेवर भी कर रही है. कितने लोगों ने इसमें पैसे डाल दिए? This is a scam. So what they're doing is that they're trying to affect you from all sides. There's of course senior citizens. I'm talking to you about college students. They will come to you for love. They will come to you for romance. They will come to you for, sir, newest. Do you have a college party that you need money for? Without any sort of a guarantee or guarantor, आप हमसे 10,000 रुपए ले लो. But just download these files. Okay, then I'll tell you another very interesting case. There's a cyber security expert. It's his favorite story to tell. He's told me at least 7 times now, so I'll tell you the story. So they got a call from somebody and they said police का phone आया. Delhi police भी समझने की कोशिश करे. Delhi police has not got it completely because cyber is difficult. Delhi police calls this cyber security expert and says, क्या किसी के भी बैंक के फोन अकाउंट से अगर उन्होंने कोई भी चीज डाउनलोड नहीं करी है, उन्होंने कोई APK फाइल नहीं डाउनलोड करी, क्या उनके अकाउंट से 20 लाख रुपए जा सकते हैं? So security wala is like, dude, ऐसे कैसे चले जाएंगे? Your phone can't just kind of disburse money, right, without you. He says, no, we got this client. He's not done anything. Okay, there's no file that's been downloaded. There's nothing, there's no message because he's an engineer. He understands all of this. कुछ नहीं हुआ है पर उनके अकाउंट से 20 लाख रुपए चले गए हैं. कैसे? तो अब ये मिस्ट्री बन गई उन सबके लिए. And it also became an ego issue between various cyber experts कि कौन इसको solve करेगा. So they just couldn't find कि कैसे हुआ है. आप सबके छोटे भाई बहन हैं किसी के भी वीडियो गेम्स खेलते हैं? Yes? हम सबके घरों में ना मम्मी पापा क्या कहते हैं, तुम्हारा फोन नहीं देंगे, तुम हमारे फोन पे खेल लो. Right? Video games are downloaded. A lot of these video games use chat. Yes? No? Since you guys play it, you know better. They have these chat formats. Okay? Now, on video games, you get coins to play. This man whose account was hacked, uske bete ne, who's 7 years old, was playing a game. The guy chatting on the other side of the video game told him 5,000 coins. 5,000 is huge, right, for any video game. 5,000 coins, तो एक काम कर, ये ऐप ये ना जितनी बार भी अपलोड होती है हम कॉइन्स दे देते हैं और तेरे पापा तेरे को डांटेंगे तो तू 1 घंटे के बाद डिलीट कर दियो. 8-year-old boy. What do you think he'll do? Download 5,000 coins, yeah? Who's not going to do it? That file that he downloaded and put on his dad's phone for an hour gave them complete access. So the scammers are very, very, very smart. They do seasonal scams. When we speak to the government for the cyber security, they tell us कि कितनी seasonal scams होते हैं. 2-2 महीने के 3-3 because जैसे आपको पता चल गया scam out in the open हो गया, you know now, right? The last scam I want to tell you, and I want you guys to tell your parents about this, the most important, because it concerns you and your parents. A lot of you don't stay at home, or do you stay at home with your parents? Don't stay at home. Dad gets a call, or mom gets a call. XYZ has been in an accident. We're taking them. Your voice comes on the phone. Papa, help. They're taking me to the hospital. Whose dad is not going to transfer 20,000 rupees for hospital admission? Who is not? Just raise your hand. Whose dad will not transfer? Papa, help in your voice. It's called deepfake. Deepfake is not just for voices. Voices is the most basic thing. Deepfake videos. जब निर्मला सीतारमण आके बोल रही है 5,000 रुपए लगाओ उसके 15,000 मिलेंगे. You know it's a fake. But it is so beautifully done that you see it. Sudha Murthy and Narayan Murthy sitting on a chair telling people, invest 17,000 rupees, we will give you 53,000 rupees. Are you going to doubt Narayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy? Even if you do, will your parents doubt them? Essential to speak to your older generation. They are more believing than we are. And essential to speak to you because ladki I love you bolegi. Yeah, and then it is also emotional because she's built a bond with you over 3 months. You know, so later on to go and tell the cause, we all always laugh at all of these cases and say, ऐसे कैसे? Sir ने ये story बताई. The mule story. Do you know why the mule story really broke out? Where most people came to know about mules. Of course, banks knew this. उदयपुर में एक शादी हुई. Okay? उस शादी में बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोग थे. बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोग. उस शादी का बजट था some 1,000 करोड़ रुपए. हाँ? We're all used to seeing these weddings now. Except ED को लग गया कि यार इसके पास 1,000 करोड़ रुपए आए कहाँ से? ठीक है? So they started, when the expenses were happening, they started keeping a tab on it. तो उनको एक सिंगल अकाउंट दिखाई दिया, एक सिंगल अकाउंट जिसमें से transactions were made for 331 crores. Sir, on the laptop, 331 crores important है एक मिनट. सिर्फ 331 crores were made from one single bank account. Do you know whose bank account that was? A Zomato riders. वो बेचारा दिन के 1,100 रुपए बनाता था. उसके अकाउंट से 331 करोड़ रुपया गया. म्यूल अकाउंट. आपके पास भी लोग आते हैं. यार तू बना ले मेरी तरफ से, तू मत करियो ना, मैं मिनिमम बैलेंस करूंगा. Nobody comes and tells you कि mule account बना ऐसे. These are words we use in conferences. What your friends will come and say is कि यार तू ये बना ले, मैं maintain करेगा ना minimum balance. I need it for a business. A friend of yours comes and tells you I need it for a business. The chances are you will not ask too many questions. Ask those questions. Yeah? Now any questions that anybody has? Also, I need to introduce myself. I forgot. My name is Ginny. I do the morning show on Radio City 91.1. I don't know if any of you listen to radio. It comes every morning from 7 to 12. We talk a lot about these issues. We talk a lot about politics. We talk a lot about social issues. We talk a lot about cybercrime. It's my favorite thing. It's the most amazing thing. बहुत intelligent है ये लोग. So now, questions that anybody has.
My question is that whenever, let's say, a scam happens, so what are the policies of the government through which the frauded amount can be given back to the victim?
Sir, I believe last year 23,000 crore rupees were lost in scams. 23,000 crores. This is the power of cyber scams, guys. 23,000 crore एक country की GDP होती है. And I think only some 7,000 was recovered or was able to be stopped. Would you like to tell us why not?
See, the government actually is creating a policy right now. They are working on this to how the banks are supposed to act, and I hope I believe this within a week this framework is going to come up. Currently, the thing is that we need to protect the money being taken away. Protection is the only thing rightly we can do, because the government cannot say that you cannot give say a theft has happened to you in your house. It is just like that.
In the next 50 minutes, like I said, very smart. 10,000 के 1,000 accounts में पैसे चले जाएंगे. They have a lot of accounts with them, which are mule accounts, which are accounts outside. 1,000 accounts will get 10,000 rupees, and that money will be deflected out of the country. Once it's out of the country, we don't have the capacity to catch it. Which is why very essential to constantly talk about this and tell them that if there's a scam that's happened, 1930 immediately in 1 hour. क्योंकि अगर वो पैसा निकल गया, it's not the government's problem also, no. वो निकल गया. It is the government's problem. I wish we had stronger digital laws in that sense, but it cannot be recovered. So that's important. Second, please, will you guys talk to your parents, your chachas, your mamas, your taujis today, day after, whenever? Do you realize how important it is? Because they are all sitting on their PFs. Why senior citizens are targeted? Simple. Senior citizens के पास सारा का सारा पैसा mostly FDs में होता है, और बहुत सारा पैसा होता है क्योंकि उनको PFs में मिला होता है, PPF में मिला होता है ना, जिस पैसे का हम भी सपना देखते हैं at some point in time. तो इसीलिए उनको जब कोई कन्विंस करता है, उनके लिए बड़ा आसान होता है कि जाके ये कर दो, और वो बहुत जल्दी बिलीव कर देते हैं. You've seen it, right? All our parents believe WhatsApping. WhatsApp के फॉरवर्ड कौन ज्यादा बिलीव करता है, आप या आपके पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन? Because they're more believing, ना, anything that's come they believe कि सच्ची होएगा. So that's why very very essential to take this. Very essential for all of you to realize this. There is no free lunch, there is no free dinner. This is one thing I want you to remember whenever you talk about cybercrime. Every time IC14 has come to my studio, they've said, lalach. Anybody turning around and saying, you will get investment. You know how these investment scams work, that sir was saying? When you're added into a Telegram group, why first a Telegram group? Because Telegram cannot be easily traced. You know that, right? Which is why half your conversations are on Telegram. Half your videos and your conversations with different people are on Telegram. Second, in Telegram, when you join any of these investor groups, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ना कि मेरे 10 का 15,000 हो गया, वो सच बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि that's what the scammers want you to believe. They want you to invest 10,000, you get 20,000 out of it. वो दे देंगे तुम्हें 20,000. फिर वो बोलेंगे 1 लाख इन्वेस्ट कर, because they are buying your faith, right? They are trying to buy your faith. So understand, anything that gives you a return of more than 6.5% in FDs and about 15% on mutual funds on a very good day, 20% का से ज़्यादा अगर कोई भी इंटरेस्ट एक साथ दे रहा है, तो buy to फंस रहा है स्कैम. Yes? Anything else? So that's why we keep doing these workshops. Sir will speak in a more formal way. I will tell you in a slightly informal way so that the message goes across. कि क्यों ज़रूरी है, क्या ज़रूरी है साइबर क्राइम में. And please, जितने अच्छी तरह से आपको कोई और नंबर याद है, 1930 should be your number. It's essential. क्योंकि कल को आप सरकार को दिखा तो सकते हो कि भाई मैंने फोन किया था. When you go to the cops, you have something to show. So very, very essential in those things. Anything else anybody wants to ask?
जो बैंक से जब हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं कि लिमिट होती है और डेली लिमिट होती है सबके.
So, see,
उसकी भी एक लिमिट होगी ना.
हाँ, see, this
करोड़ों रुपए का.
करोड़ों रुपए कस्टमर ने खुद किया था. They came to the bank, they used the check. So they use the check and they use the check and transfer slip to transfer that money to the fraudster's account. It's not using the net banking actually. Net banking का limit होता है that you can customize according to your need actually.
So it was really an enlightening session. I enjoyed, and it was full of information. Though I mean, we all understand that we should behave wisely and we should not rely on whatever information is coming. But still, we all make mistakes. So it's simply a word of caution that has been given in this session, and that too by credible voices by R.J. Gindi and by Mr. Augustine. From Federal Bank, because only a banker understands as to what kind of frauds can happen, wherein he can make beware to all of us. So thank you all to be here and to give all that information and to understand it. Thank you.
WFC